The University of Missouri awaits more details from the federal government as it notifies workers of a possible COVID-19 requirement as soon as December 8th.
ABC 17's Chanel Porter is live on MU's campus for us tonight. And Chanel, there's still some uncertainty about who this applies to. Plus, the Missouri government is taking steps against the federal mandate.
Devin Lucas, the university has been working close with Missouri state government leaders as Attorney General Eric Schmidt and Governor Mike Parson have taken steps pushing back against this federal mandate. Now, any decisions regarding vaccines on campus have been decided on by the Board of Curators.
They made a specific decision back in September that we would not have a vaccine mandate on campus. If we were needed to change that, it would have to go through the board for a vote. There would be a public meeting called.
Basie says if the federal mandate goes into effect, it's unclear at this time who it would actually apply to. And those answers will hopefully come during a legal review. However, Basie says some will not be affected.
If you are a student here at the university and you are going to class, but you are not employed, you don't have a campus job, there's a very strong likelihood that you would not be impacted by the federal vaccine mandate.
In a survey of MU faculty in September, 85% said they thought all faculty, staff, and students should be required to get vaccinated.
I'm concerned that the university may decide, or the curators may decide, that we will defy federal regulations and, whatever happens, happens. And that would be unfortunate.
Also last month, the faculty council voted 19-8, approving a resolution asking the board to require vaccines. Faculty member Rabia Gregory says the majority of faculty would feel safe and relieved if the mandate goes into effect. Gregory said because the curators have waited so long to make the decision, some staff members may not have time to be fully vaccinated by the time the federal regulations are imposed. On Monday, the Biden administration said it will publish more details on the mandate in the coming days. Also, the next Board of Curators meeting is set for November 18th. Reporting live in Columbia, Chanel Porter, ABC 17 News.
Chanel, thank you. Christian Basie also said COVID-19 cases on campus have remained low since the mask mandate was lifted almost 3 weeks ago. There are currently 9 active student cases and 11 cases among staff.